Welcome to our new Agricultural Innovation Center. We are pleased to have you here today, and we look forward to working collaboratively with you to develop solutions for today and for tomorrow. This state-of-the-art facility will allow us to efficiently translate our collective ideas into solutions and products that will make farming more productive, less resource-intensive, and more sustainable. The Stepan team will now share details on our new capabilities. Let's take a look.
The Stepan Agricultural Innovation Center is an important commitment of our company to the sustainable agricultural needs of the future. It's a place to bring together our customers and other partners and collaborate and deliver new ideas and new concepts that will help deliver sustainable solutions for farmers worldwide.
I'm one of the lead trainers here, and it is very nice to be able to have our own space. It's also very nice the one-on-one interaction that we're going to get with our customers. Some of the things that we pride ourselves on with our training program is being able to have that hands-on training and not just sitting in a conference room all day long looking at presentations.
The Innovation Center provides Stepan the opportunity to work closely with our customers to use similar equipment to what they use in their labs. The particle-based lab does formulation work for delivery systems that contain particles.
Our virtual lab allows us to video conference with customers around the world, and we're able to use this lab to provide the same kind of live support and training that we offer in person.
Greenhouse really gives us the ability to do live plant testing. So if we take, a formulation that has been formulated in the lab, we bring it out into the greenhouse, and it gives us the ability to test it right then. So depending on what the project is, the formulation, I can have plants here ready to go, seeded, and have them at the right plant stage. The function is being able to do very rapid testing. And it gives us the ability to not have to send it to external cooperators. It allows us to do in-house, first look research, and that really separates us.
There's a great benefit in the Innovation Center being so close to the production facility, with it being right across the street. And that great benefit is the ability to produce larger samples. The typical sample size would be a quart or an 8 ounce, but some of our agricultural customers require larger samples. We're able to produce totes and/or drums for our customers, and it meets their need, which is our #1 priority.
Stepan's new Innovation Center will allow us to be more efficient when we're formulating ECs, EWs, suspension concentrates, and oil dispersions. I really feel that's based on our expanded square footage that we have per lab, and then the way that we have been able to design each lab. I think the new Innovation Center will enable us to solve problems for our customers that we weren't able to solve before.
So the new spray lab here at Stepan means that we're going to be able to test DRAs for droplet size and make changes on the fly. This will also allow us to get products out to the market faster.
We hope that when our customers see this Stepan Innovation Center, that they see that Stepan is committed to their care. Stepan is committed to getting things to them more efficiently, more quickly, that Stepan is committed to doing things for them to make their lives easier and their lives better.
This will provide opportunities for them to learn and train on our technologies, to use our instruments and the capabilities that we have as extensions of their own development and innovation programs, and to collaborate on new ideas that will help create the winning solutions for the future.